So the other day, I wanted to wear a Thrasher shirt, and I only have 2 Thrasher shirts. The black one, I couldn't even find, and the white one, it's just too damn small. I've had this shirt for like 3 years, and I've worn it since my hair looked like this.
What do you mean I didn't see it?
This black shirt fits me good, but it's a track shirt. So what if I just combine the two? That's exactly what we're gonna do today. First thing I need to do is iron both of the shirts. Now I'm going to cut out both of the logos from each of the shirts so I can combine the Thrasher logo from the white tee to the black tee. Thrasher logo out extra big to make sure I'd have enough fabric to work with when I sew it onto the black tee. Now I'm going to cut out a bigger hole on the black tee so you can see the entire Thrasher logo. Now I'm going to hem the sides of the hole to give it a more professional finish. I'm gonna pin on the logo to the shirt so I can sew it on. to sew the tag on. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I did have a little bit of an error on the side. You can see that I just kind of sewed the shirt together and kind of messed it up. I made a hole in it. I'm gonna fix it off camera, but honestly, the tag and everything in total looks pretty good. If you guys enjoyed this do-it-yourself type of video, make sure to smash the like button because I just starved myself for the last 2 hours making this video. I'm gonna go get some lunch. Have a good one, guys. Peace out.